Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies that don't spread. First, ensure your butter is cold, not room temperature, as this helps maintain the cookie's shape. Accurate flour measurement is crucial. Too little flour can lead to excessive spreading. Always chill your dough for a minimum of 30 minutes before rolling and cutting. This step solidifies the butter, preventing the cookies from flattening out in the oven. Following these initial steps will set you up for perfectly shaped cookies. Achieving the right dough consistency is vital. If your dough feels too sticky after chilling, incorporate an additional 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour until it's manageable. When rolling, aim for a uniform thickness of 1/4 inch across the entire sheet. This ensures even baking and prevents thinner edges from browning too quickly. Always roll your dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper. This not only prevents sticking, but also makes transferring cut cookies to the baking sheet much easier. Baking technique also plays a significant role in preventing spread. Always place your cut cookies on a cold baking sheet. A warm sheet can cause the butter to melt too quickly. Avoid overcrowding the sheet. Leave at least 1 inch of space between each cookie to allow for proper air circulation. Once baked, let your cookies cool completely on the baking sheet for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows them to firm up before you transfer them, preventing breakage and maintaining their crisp edges. If your cookies are still spreading, consider troubleshooting your oven. An inaccurate oven temperature can be a major culprit, so use an oven thermometer to verify its calibration. Sometimes, reducing the amount of leavening agents like baking soda or baking powder by about 1/4 can also help. Remember, less leavening means less rise and less spread. For more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Consider Darn Tough for their amazing lifetime warranty. They're a game changer for comfort and durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.